Welcome back, guys. I thought I'd make this little video because sadly I went to go put the spark plug back in the 460 and she's not tightening up. So we got stripped threads on the 460. Now you could go ahead and replace the cylinder, but I'm going to see if I can make it work with what I got. So, got some JB weld I mixed up here. Gonna go around the threads on the spark plug, and our idea is to almost use the JB weld to rebuild the thread. Now it might work, it might not, but we'll make an update video and let you know. Because the new cylinder for the saw, now me using a bolt to hold the clutch might have something to do with this, but so now you just stick it in there, get a wrench, tightening it down some. The cylinder. See? I think our threads are gone, guys. Okay, we're just going to let it sit like that. And then we're going to make another video and see how it is. Or I could get if I could find a bigger spark plug, it would build thread, or get a heat coil with thread insert for it before I go put a new cylinder on it. But I am going to big bore this saw, so it is what it is. But I'm probably going to finish making my tool because I did start chewing up the threads in here, I noticed, by using a bolt or a screwdriver. So mostly a bolt. I have this screwdriver which broke on them, so I ground it, but it's nice and even, unlike a bolt. There's shreds, and the bolt gets pushed up, and it's almost like a saw into the threads, into the cylinder. So please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.